Hi, I'm Lieutenant Matt Chapin with Roanoke Fire-EMS, stationed at Station 5 on the north side of the city. Today we're here to talk about distracted driving and the inherent risks associated with it. Every day your firefighters and paramedics respond to accidents caused by distracted driving. These can lead to serious injuries or death. Distracted driving can come in many forms, from looking at your phone, talking to passengers, eating, or even thinking about something other than driving. In the U.S., more than 120 people die in car crashes every single day. 1 in 5 people killed in distracted driving crashes are not in a vehicle. They're pedestrians, cyclists, or others. Sending or reading a text message takes your eyes off the road for about 5 seconds. At 55 miles an hour, that's like driving the length of a football field blindfolded. In the city of Roanoke alone, there were 2,092 motor vehicle crashes in 1 year, leading to 774 injuries and 9 fatalities. When we arrive on the scene of an accident, we will assess for damage, injuries, and the amount of patients. When extrication is needed, we have 2 specialty apparatus that will respond. Ladder 5, stationed at Station 5 on Melrose Avenue on the north side of the city, and Ladder 1, stationed at Station 1 on the south side of the city. We will stabilize the vehicle, and then we will begin moving parts of the vehicle necessary to get to the patients. This may be opening a door using our extrication tools, the jaws of life, the cutters and the spreaders. This may be lifting and moving a vehicle to free a trapped subject. This may also include removing the roof from the vehicle or raising the dash from the floorboard. We don't want to meet you on your worst day. You can help prevent crashes by making smart choices. Some tips to help knock down the risk of distracted driving. You can put your phone on Do Not Disturb. If you need directions, set your GPS before you start driving. Keep your hands on the wheel, eyes on the road, and mind focused. If you're a passenger, you can help by speaking up if the driver seems distracted. 1 second can change your life forever. Distracted driving isn't worth the risk. Let's work together to stay safe, stay protected on the road, and together we can knock down the risk.